Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated to those customers whose phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. Like this, you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. And if your phone is locked due to forgot password lock, pin lock, you may use this method to unlock your smartphone without visiting any service center, without need any computer application. And the main thing is that you don't have to pay a single penny to unlock your smartphone. And the most important thing is that in this video your phone's all the data like photos, videos, and different type of documents which you don't want to you don't need to lose here. Okay, so let's start this method. But before you start this method, you would have to charge your phone at least 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted in this process. So before I start this method, charge your phone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger and at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, so let's start this method. And the main thing is that before you start this method, firstly switch your phone on airplane mode, or you may also eject your SIM card if you're not able to activate your phone's airplane mode. Okay, so you can see here I have ejected my smartphone SIM card here, and you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. Okay, so let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to switch off your phone smartphone in this method. So I am going to switch off my smartphone, and for this simply you will have to press the power button here to switch off the smartphone. But the Samsung smartphone does not switch off by the power button, because that will ask you to for the switch off, that will ask to pattern. Okay, so for that there is another method, and that's video is available on my YouTube channel. You can also go with that video. Okay, so let's start it. Firstly, I'm going to see press the power button to switch off here. Simply I will have to press here, and simply I will drag this through power of my smartphone, and you will have to wait until it's complete switch off. Okay, so just wait. Now my friend, this phone is a complete switch off. Now after this, simply you will have to press the power button, and you will have to press the volume down button. At the same time, you will have to press and hold until you gets the phone display on, and you will have to switch this phone to the hard reset mode. Okay, so I will press this volume down button and power button at the same time. You can see here I'm going to do this. Just wait, don't release. Okay, just wait until it's a hard reset mode on. Okay, now you can see here phone's hard reset mode has been activated. Now you will get language option. You will have to select your language according to your according to your use. Okay, so I will go with this English language here, because this is very reliable to use here. Sorry, just a minute. Just a minute, I have selected another language, but I don't know that language, so I will have to again restart this smartphone. Press the volume down button and the power button. Now I will go with the English language. Okay, you will get a 4 type of option. You can see here the first option is showing here online update, and the second option is showing a format data, the third option is reboot device, and the fourth option is power off option. So you will have to go with the format data option, because you know this option, this method is known as offline method, so you can't go with the online updates. And the third option is reboot device, I mean to say your phone will restart, and the fourth option is power off. So I will go with this second option. When you will click on this format data option, it will show you a verification code. Okay, and it will ask you to enter the verification code in this here, but you don't have to enter this verification code here, because if you enter this verification code here, you will lost your all the datas. Okay, so simply you will have to write down this verification code, and it will be different from my verification code, because every phone has their own verification code which is different from this. Okay, so you will have to write down this verification code for the further use, because this verification is used to unlock your smartphone in the further process. So this verification code is 9354. So I have remembered this verification code, that is 9354. Okay, now after this, go with the back button. Again you will have to go with the power off button. You don't have to go with the reboot option. Okay, you will have to go with the power off button. Okay, simply you will have to go with the power off. You will have to wait until it's complete switch off. So my verification code was 9354, and your verification code will be different, so write down that verification code to use it further. Okay, now I will switch on my smartphone. Wait until it's complete switch on. It's a time tracking process, my friend, so don't be panic. Keep patience if you want to unlock your smartphone without wasting any service center. Okay, and you don't want to lose any data. Okay, so just wait here. Don't skip a single step, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so my friend, you can see here still now pattern lock is showing here. Okay, so don't worry at all. After this, you will have to go with the option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. After this, your phone's dialing pad will be switched on like this, you can see here. Now after that, you will have to go with the USSD code, which will switch to your phones to the master unlocking mode page. And this USSD code, you can see here, *#899 and #. When you will click on this USSD code, you will switch to the master unlocking mode page. This page is known as engineers mode page, you can see here. Now you will get a lots of option, you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option, which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this. Now after this, you will again switch to the next page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of others, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, you will get 5 type of option on this page. Okay, you can see here the second option is showing here, read write important lock test option. You will have to simply click on this option. Now it will ask you to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to feed that verification code which you have write down on your notepad. Simply you will have to feed that verification code, but before this verification code, you will have to use hash, and after that verification code, you will have to use hash. Okay, so I'm going to do, you can see with me. Firstly, you will have to use star. Now my verification code was 9354, and at the end I will use hash. Now after feeding this verification code, you will have to go with the OK button. Now the next step is simply you will have to slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option. You can see here device debugging option is showing here. Okay, so you will get an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 7th number, you can see here. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, it will show you here 1 option, 2 option or 3 option. Don't worry at all the option will be showing there. Operation not started, you can see here operation not started. Okay, don't worry at all. You will have to simply click on these option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so I am going to click on these option. You can see with me, test has been started and test passed. The second option is test has been started and test failed. But don't worry at all. If you are getting a single test passed message, it means your work has been done. Now after this, simply you will have to go with the back button. Now again you will have to slide the phone slide your phones right side like this, and again you will have to reach to the others option. Okay, now you will get an option database version. You can see here 4th number is showing here database version. You will have to click here 11 times, because here you can see here there is a number is showing here 11. So you will, if you're getting here 12 or 13, so you will have to click here 12 or 13 times, but here you can see here showing here 11, so you will have to click on that option 11 times. So you simply, I will have to click 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now the work has been done. Now after this, you will get an option of a reading reset complete indicator. Okay, So you will have to click on this reading reset complete indicator, and now I have clicked. You can see here a pass message is showing here. If you're getting here fail message, it means you have skipped any single step. That's why you're getting here fail. You will have to follow these steps again. Okay, and if you're getting here pass message, it means your work has been done. You don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to check either a smartphone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? If you're getting here home button at the bottom of the phone, simply you will click on that home button to check. And if you're not getting here home button, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to go with the back button like this to check your smartphone is unlocked or not. So I'm going to check here. You can see with me. So you can see here my smartphone has been completely unlocked, and the main thing is that all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos.